Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you folks the Sea Ray 2022 270 Sun Deck. What a perfect boat this is. It does everything very, very well. It's definitely one of our most popular sellers. This is the largest boat you can get with one engine. Once you move up to the 290, you get two engines. So, but it handles great. Color is gorgeous on it. And let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 270 Sun Deck. Let's start at the back of the boat. It's powered by the new Mercury 300 horsepower, a ton of horsepower. It hops right up on plane. It's got a great top end as well. Very quiet, very little vibration, phenomenal motor. In the back, you've got either a Sunpad that lays flat like this here, or you can pop them up and it's more comfortable for sitting. You can put 4 adults, very, very comfortable off the back. And the storage, this particular boat is made with an inboard outboard as well. So when we have the outboard only, we got the storage in the back is incredible. So it starts here, and this particular storage goes all the way inside. You can put anything in there. You can put fishing poles, you can put noodles, you can put just about anything that's long, especially in there. And then on this one, this is where the engine would be, and now it's just huge storage. So just phenomenal storage. Beach chairs, you name it, fenders, lines, everything else can go in here without making a mess inside the boat. As I move in, we've got very nice L-shaped seating with storage underneath here, and this actually will continue into there, but very nice storage. You've got the seat that if you're hanging out on the back of the boat, you can fold it this way, and you can fold this one as well. So nice. You can put 8 adults very comfortable in the cockpit of the boat. And as we move forward here, got a nice good size head with a vacuum flush, which is the top of the line, and it's got a window for extra light and fresh air if you need it. And then on this side, you've got a really nice, neat, clean Helm, a recessed Simrad touchscreen on there, trim tabs, so it's really nice, really clean, not all junked up with a lot of switches and knobs and dials. Fusion stereo as well. And then you've got dry storage in here with dedicated storage for your table. So the table can go in the back is where it's designed to go, but you can put duffel bags and all that kind of stuff in there. So 2 lounges, very nice lounges, very large armrests on them. And then you've got the beach boarding ladder. So if you go to the beach, you drive right up onto the beach, you can deploy the ladder right onto the sand, and you're not getting into the water or getting it to get on or off the boat. And then when you go to get back on the boat, you've got a nice little shower. You rinse all the sand off before you come back on the boat. So it's just a large, you can hold a lot, probably 10 people comfortably, but it will hold up to 12 people. So it's very large for a 27-foot boat. You've got the nice bimini top that can come down as well, and it just does everything well. So if you'd like to see it, please give me a call. My name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.